This video is for demonstration purposes only and is for reference only. Prepare cable gland connectors and explosion-proof clay. Check whether the explosion-proof grade and scope of application of the cable sealing joint meet the requirements. When measuring the outer diameter of a cable, it should conform to the applicable range. Strip off the protective sheath of the cable with a stripping length of about 150 millimeters, and ensure the surface of the cable and equipment is clean. Disassemble the components of the cable gland connector and arrange them in order and orientation for later use. Then thread the cable through holes A, B, C, and D of the cable gland connector in sequence. Mix the explosion-proof clay in a 1:1 ratio as specified by the manufacturer. Mix until there are no color variations. Next, separate the 3 wires of the cable and apply the mixed explosion-proof clay to the stripped cable area. Fix components D and E of the cable gland connector at the position where the explosion-proof clay has been applied, with the cable centered in the holes. Fill holes D and E with explosion-proof clay. Note, knead the clay into a ball shape and embed it into the sealing end face in layers and sections, to avoid air entrapment. Allow it to stand according to the curing conditions specified in the explosion-proof clay specification until the clay is completely hardened. You can judge by observing the state of the remaining clay. Finally, thread component F through the cable and connect it to E, and tighten all components of the cable gland connector. Remove the hexagon-thin nuts from the cable gland connector. Insert your finger into the plug hole, translate it outward, and remove the back cover. Install the cable gland connector onto the rear cover. After connecting the cable wires correctly according to the labels on the terminals, insert them into the female connectors and tighten the screws. Push the rear cover into place. Then tighten the explosion-proof plugs for the unused holes. Tighten the screws in a diagonal sequence, repeating 2 to 3 times to ensure they are securely fastened. Finally, use a wrench to tighten the cable gland connector and explosion-proof plugs.